Right. Very good. Now it is a time to see. Now it is a time to see the another important continuation topic. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Let us move forward to the subject of it. Right. Let us move forward to the subject of. Uh, let us start. Under that, last class we already started. Last class we already done. What is the topic we learned, ma'am? What is the topic we learned? NumPy slicing we started. NumPy slicing and indexing. We started learning that. NumPy slicing and 1D array we completed. NumPy. This is NumPy indexing we done, and we already completed 1D and then 2D. And then slicing operator also. On 1D we have done it. On 1D we have done it. Now we will go for NumPy slicing operation on 2D. NumPy slicing operation on 2D. So please remember this type of rules that are rules and regulations I told you. I hope you practiced it also. I think so. I hope you practiced it also. Okay. Now, NumPy slicing operation, you come to the 2D array also. 2D array. 2D array contains what, ma? 2D array contains what? Come on, start fast. So this is a syntax of NumPy array 1D. 1D array syntax. This is a syntax for slicing operation. Slicing operation. Now we are going to talk about 2D array. We know that 2D array organizing the elements in the form of rows and columns. We know that 2D arrays organizes the data in the form of rows and columns. So let us move faster. We know that now it's quite interesting. And yesterday continuation part we are entering. Yes, ma. Today I will post it because yesterday only I told you because it is an incomplete. It is an incomplete. After this I will post it, ma. I will post it. Bhanuchandar. Even in 4 o'clock also I think I did not post it. Today I will post it. Okay. Today I will post it. Okay. So we know that 2D array is a collection of what? Rows and columns. So slicing operation I want from rows. Slicing operation I want in the form of rows. So what is that? For example, we already done slicing operation on 1D array, forward direction and backward direction we already completed. Now let us move into the further 2D array rows and columns we are going to see. What is the syntax here? Let us take the 2D array slicing. I want something like this. So let us take one small diagram. Small diagram you take it. Take one this type of diagram. I will take some small diagram here. What is the diagram? You just observe it. So my diagram will be something like this. Just observe it. 1020. I will give you for a minute. Just wait. So I'm giving a 2D array like this. In that, we will keep some elements. Let me take 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns I will take. Because this is also one of the most important area where we need to learn very perfectly. Because if anybody is asking questions in NumPy, compulsory area of questions where they are asking here. Right. And it is a very complex and people should be careful enough to understand this area. So this is called one type of the another entry like this. Now here the elements which are present here is something like 10, here 20, here I have 30, Carefully observe all of you. 30, 40, 50, 60, and next 70, 80, and 90. These are my elements. These are my elements. And positions also, 0, and this is called 1, and this is called 2. And these are 0, 0, and this is called 1, and this is called 2. This is called 2. And this is called an ND array. Already it's an ND array. How to create this? We will create an ND array. Let us go to what I want at this moment today. I want a slicing operation. Slicing means what? All of you tell me what is meant by slicing. 1 minute, can you tell anybody else slicing? Let me see your chart window also clearly, because this is today. You need to get very clearly in my class. Clearly in my class. Let us, I will paste on the top of it. What is meant by slicing, ma? Everybody. Come on, fast. Slicing, please. Obtaining some range of values. Obtaining some range of values. We obtained the range of values from where? We obtained the range of values from where? Both 1D. We got it. We felt very convenient also. We felt very much convenient also. Okay. Extract some values. See, from 2D array also we want to extract the values. From 1D array, it is something like our range values, something our list values like that. In today's class, we are going to achieve the values something like this. What is that? What I want to do? See, I will go for this value I want. Okay, let me go for once. I want this type of value. So this value, this value, this value, this value I want. See, most colorful thing I am just using it. This values I want. Are you observing it? Are you getting this? Is the diagram is good? Is the diagram is good? Yes. Okay, super. Okay. This saying super. Okay, good. Now I want this. I want these elements. These elements I want. These elements I want. Which elements? These elements I want. These elements. I want these elements. How to get that? We are going to see. I want these elements. Which elements? Only these elements I want. Which elements? This one I want. I want these elements. Piece. I want to get a piece of elements. Right. Now next I want this one, and I want this one, and I want this one. I want this one. I want this one. Okay. Right. Next I want to get this piece, this matrix I want. Only this part I want. I can get it. All the possibilities I want to get it. All the possibilities I want to get it. So I want this type of matrix. This type of matrix. I want this type of thing. So how to get this kind of things? We are going to obtain by using which operation? I want to get by using which operation? Come on. By using slice operation. By using slice operation. How to do that slice operation? So what is an actual indexing operation of that? Indexing operation, you tell me. Indexing syntax, you tell me. Index syntax, please. Indexing syntax. Yes, come on. Index syntax, ma. 2D array index syntax. Index syntax is 2D syntax for 2D array. 2D array syntax for 2D array index. Indexing. What is the syntax I said? We used to specify 2D array. That is 2D array object. That is called ND array object. I mean to say ND array object. ND array object of what we used to pass it, ma? We used to pass row index, and the next is called what? I used to pass column index. Very good. Column index. This is what we learned already. Okay. In the row index and the column index, from there only I'm going to get it into detailed part. When you come to syntax for, see, mark carefully. Because of this, what element is coming? Only one element is coming. Because of this row index and column index, only one element is coming. But I want to get what? multiple elements I want. Multiple elements I want. How to get the multiple elements? I will take this syntax. I will take this syntax as usual. Don't get tension for it and carefully understand. Here, row index and column index. In the row index, I want multiple values. In the column index, I want multiple values. That only I will adjust it. In the row index, I want to say, what is that? Begin. Where you want to start with. Begin. That is nothing but starting position. Where you want to start. Begin or start or value 1 or whatever it is. Begin. That is where you want to start. Colon, end, colon, step. What for it is? You take these elements. For example, I want to get these elements. I want to get which elements? This. Which row? 0th row. What elements? All elements. 0th row, all elements. Okay, but which column elements? Column index also I need to specify. 0th row, which column elements? All column elements. No, listen, 0th row, which column elements? You want what? You want 0th row, you said. Okay, nice. Up to which columns? All columns. 0 and 1 column. Which slice? 0th, okay. In columns, how many? That we need to specify. Are you getting my point? One more thing I want. Suppose 20, 50, 80 I want. How many rows? All rows. How many columns? One column only. Like that. I want to go for mentioning this point here. How to mention it, ma? You see. Begin, end, stop, step, comma. Column index also you need to specify. Begin, I need to specify what? Begin, comma, begin, colon. What is that now? End, colon, step, I need to specify. End, colon, specify. This syntax only, it can be represented as follows. Now I am saying it can be represented as follows. Dear students, carefully try to follow. It can be represented as follows. Yes, coming to the point of it. Now I am going to say ND array object row index, comma, column index. This row index I am just going to mention in detail part here. This syntax can be represented in detail as follows. The above syntax can be represented with examples. You will very perfectly understand. I will give examples for you. The above syntax can be represented as follows. See that? This is called a syntax number. It is a broad syntax that I represented in this. Start now. What I want to do here, this is called this begin, end. This is called a slice 1. Which is slice? Row slice. This is called slice 1. If you want, I can go to this place. If you want to, I will go to this place. Just I will write it, mentioning here. This is called slice 1. And this is called slice 2. This is called slice 2. What is the slice 1 purpose? This is called slice 2. What is this called here? Tell me. Here, slice 1 represents what? Rows. Very good. Next, slice 2 represents what? Columns. Here, slice 2 represents what, ma? Columns. Yes, beautiful. Is this syntax is clear, ma? Can you confirm once? Yeah. Now I will go for with the examples. It will be more clear for you. Slicing, I will write it. Slicing, I am writing. Fine. With the indexing only, I am getting this syntax. Start the example. Start the example. Start the cinema now. Examples will be continued. So now we are going to continue the yesterday's class kick. Yesterday's class kick is there or not, I don't know, but we need to continue. We need to continue. Right, ma? Let us start. Take this diagram. First, I will create this array. First, I will create this array. First, I will create this array in my NumPy place. I will go to my Python editor. Yes, ma. Look at a is equal to array of np dot. Okay, 1 minute. I will import numpy as np. Numpy as np. Numpy as np. A is equal to np dot array of 10 comma 20 comma 30. 10 comma 20 comma 30. It is called I'm taking this one comma 3 by 3 matrix. I'm taking 40 comma 50 comma 60, and next is called what comma, and 70 comma 80 comma 90. 90 I am taking. 90 I am taking. Right. Okay. I need to close, ma. I need to close. Yeah. So this is done. This is done. So if you want, I will just close here only. Yes. A you print it. This is a array which is having. Okay. It is there. Okay, Bilal. Right. Good. Continuing that. Now I want to see carefully. Now I want to print what? Example by example. I want to continue. See this, ma. I want the elements carefully and don't get tension. Even you take the pen and paper and be careful. Take all of you pen and paper once. Take all of you pen and paper. Because some calculation. Take all of you pen and paper, ma. Okay, already you have pen and paper. Oh, very nice. That's what you are all most intelligent students. Okay, nice. Fine. Very nice, ma. Nice to see. Okay, already you are. Okay, very nice. So you have to these elements. All you write this type of diagram with you. You please write this diagram. Okay, ma. They are very good. Oh yes, you are nice. Right. So you take this diagram immediately. Now I want to ask you. Now I am asking a question. No tension, no hurry at all. We will go very slowly. First of all, by going hurriedly, what is the use of it? First of all, we need to get the subject. So I am going to take. I want. This is our base diagram today. From this, I want this piece. I want this area. I want. There is no tension at all. First, you interpret by yourself. Ram creation. Institutes open or not, I don't know, ma'am. I don't know. Institutes open or not, I don't know. And even if they open, generally people will not come immediately. So because things are not good, still we don't know what is happening outside. Okay. So from my home, almost 15 days back, I went out. 15 days back, I went out. I did not gone to my outside of the gate 15 days onwards. I am inside of the home only. Okay. Come on, ma. Satyam Sharma. Satyam Sharma. I want to talk to you, ma, regarding that. What you are asking. I want to talk to you regarding the that vaccine and all those things. Okay. Right. Fine. Let us start, ma. All of you, please come to the point. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. What is that? First, you analyze by yourself. What row? First, you see the syntax also. See the syntax also, ma. Okay, 1 minute you wait. I will bring this. I will paste this syntax also. I will paste 1 minute. 1 minute you wait. First, 1 minute you wait. Syntax also I will paste for your clarity purpose. For your clarity purpose, I will take the syntax. Here I will take the syntax. This is a syntax. And there is no hurry. All of us must learn very perfectly. That is my intention. That is my intention of making you very good in this formula. Okay? Right. Now start. What I want today? I want this piece, this part I want. How many rows? First think about it. Here only you think about it. Start here. I will say, what I will say, A of, how many rows I want? What row I want? What row? Whatever I am asking, you answer that. Whatever I am asking, you answer. 0, I will write C. Begin. That is nothing but 0th row. Actually, this first thing says what? This first says what? I will just write one small moment here. I want what? 0, 0 colon. What I want next? How many columns I want? How many columns I want? No, 1 minute. 1 minute, ma. You are going and giving your 1 minute. I did not complete. You are in the row. This is called row. I am talking about this is row. First, let me complete row. You don't be hurry. Don't be hurry. Column. First, let us complete. Which row I want? 0th row. Only 0th row. Begin, end. What is the begin? 0. What is the column? What is the column I need to specify? Begin, end. In the row only, which row? Only 0th row. That means it has considered only 0th row. What should I write? End. What is the end? 1 I need to write. 1 I need to write. 0 colon 1 means how it will consider? 0 colon 1 means what? 0 to 1 means 0 to 1 minus 1. 0 to 1 minus 1. It is nothing but 0 only. Are you understanding that or not? 0 to 1 means 0 to 1 minus 1. That is nothing but 0 only. Okay, na? Right. Okay, you understood. And I am not looking for step today. Step after a few minutes, I will introduce step. Comma. Okay. So because of that, clearly we located 0th row. Comma. Tell me. Column you come. Column. What is that column? From which column onwards you want? Which column onwards you want? 0th column. How many columns you want? Which columns you want? All columns you want. All columns you want. All columns you want. All columns you want. You can happily write what? 3 you can write. 3 you can write. Yes or no? Yes, ma? Are you able to follow me? Yes. Nice. Can I show you that? Can I show you that? This part I will take. Let us go to back. Let us go to back. A of 0 colon 1, comma 0 colon 3. 0 colon 3. What is the answer is coming? A piece I got it. A piece I got it. Are you able to follow? Are you able to follow? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Right. Next, you see students. Once you see students, one more way I am writing. One more way. Can you try one more way? Can you try one more way? Or A of 0 colon 1. Okay, good. Comma. Can I write like this? Only like that. Can I write like that? Can I write like that? Yes. So I did not specify anything. No begin, no ending for column. No begin and no ending for column. What column? Beginning column is what? 0th column. Ending column is what? Ending column only it will take. Yes or no? Yes. Let us go to that. Remove that and then see the answer. Same. Remove that and remove that. It is same. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Easy, sir. Fine. Right. Shall I move next example? Yes, ma? Shall I move next example? Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. Now see. Now I'm going for yo. Okay, 1 minute, ma. So I will go for, let me remove. Because our matrix, I just want to make it very clear. Because it's our base level diagram. So here I will write up. Because this entire thing I will post to you. Anyhow, I will post that answer to you. Right, look at that. Because we will learn very perfectly. Here I am writing 0 colon, this is a 0 colon 1 comma colon we will write it. We are not specifying anything there. So we are getting the answer called, we are getting the answer what we are interested. We got the answer. Yes, you are already know. Now next I want like this. These elements I want. So definitely we are going to introduce some complex concept I am giving. So this I want this part, this one, plus I want this part I want. There is no hurry at all. There is no hurry at all. You test it, ma. After my class is over, you experiment on it like anything. You experiment on it like anything. Okay? Shubham, you can write, ma. Happily you can write. Shubham, happily you can write. Now, I want to go for something like this. Tell me. Now you tell me. I want to write like this. Can you start? Can you start? All of you. Just how to write it. How to write it. I am going to specify here. I want what? A of. How do you think about it? Listen, amma. I want which row? 0th row. And then which row? Second row. Second row. What is the skipping? What is the step here? What is the step? I want 0th row. I want 0th row. Next, I want what? I am not specifying the rows. From 0. From 0. I am not specifying the ending row. I am not specifying ending row. Colon. I will say 2. I will say 2. Will you understand or not? See. 0. This call other ending row I am not specifying. Ending row I am not specifying. Step I am writing 2. Why step? 0. And what is the step? 2. And means which one is not selecting? Which one is not considering? Which one is not considering? Yes. You can write happily 3 also. You can write happily 3 also. 0 to 3. But what is the step? 0th step plus second element will be considered. Second element will be considered. Okay. Even if you specify 3 also, no problem. Even if you don't specify 3 also, no problem. Come on to the point next. Columns you come. Columns. What columns? What columns? All columns. Very good. Sandeep, very good, ma. Just I will write like this. See, I am not writing any columns there. Beautiful point this is. The answer you will get 10, 20, 30, 70, 80, 90 you will get it. Can I show you that? Can I show you that? Let us look at A of, I am writing A of 0 colon 2. I am not writing anything like that. See that 10, 20, 30, 70, 80, 90. 10, 20, 30, 70, 80, 90. 10, 20, 30 like this. I can write one more also. I can write even 3 also. See that, ma? 3. 10, 20, 30, 70, 80, 90. Dear students, easy or difficult? Are you getting confidence on doing this part? Yes, sir. Now I am going for one more. I will ask you. Now, can I ask you the questions? Can I ask you the questions now? I will ask you the questions. Now you will fill it up. You will go for filling up these things now. So I will just remove that. Now I will ask you the questions. Now I am asking, ma. Yes. Now I am asking you this part. Now I want this part. 40, 50, 60. You tell me. You tell me. 40, 50, 60. First you understand, sir, which row? Because syntax is that one. Begin, end, step. Begin, end, step. First of all, you observe it. What is there in that? Let us concentrate on this. Next I will write. Yeah. A of. Which row, sir? Arindam. Very good, ma. Very good. Now A of 1 colon 2. 1 colon 2. 1 colon 2. 1 colon 2. That means 1 only. 1 only. How many columns? How many columns? All columns. All columns. Just I will write like this. All columns. I will write like this. Let us take this part. Let us take this part. I will go to that place and I will just write it. Enter key. What I got it? 40, 50, 60. 40, 50, 60. I got 40, 50, 60. Are you understanding? Simple. Easy, sir. Now, see, sir, now how easy it is. Next, I am going to ask you one more question. One more question I am asking, ma. See how I am going to ask you this. So, one more point I want to ask you. Look at that. Now, I want next 40, 50. I want 40, 50 only. 1 minute, 1 minute. 40, 50 I want. 40, what happens? Not selecting, huh? Yo. What happens? Not coming. 1 minute more. 1 minute. 1 minute. It will come. It is coming now. 40, 50 I want. 40, 50. Please, 40, 50. I want to verify. I want to verify you people. 40, 50. I want to see 40, 50 only. Yes. I want to take 40, 50. Yeah, who is saying I just want to verify? 1 colon 2, 0 colon 2. Super. Yeah. Rajeshwari. Yes, ma. Correct. Correct. Yeah. Yes, ma. You are super in that. 1 colon 2, 1 colon 2, comma, 0 colon 2. I said 0 colon 2. Instead of that, you can also say happily as what? Happily as what? You can say a of 1 colon 2, 1 colon 2, comma. Yes, just you can write colon 2, you can write it. Colon 2, you can write it. Colon 2 is nothing but what? That part only. So you can go to that place and you can test it. A of 1 colon 2 and then what? 0 colon 2, for example. 0 colon 2 you are specifying. Then we got the output as like this. You can also write happily. This part also you can write it. See how beautiful answer. Yes, ma. Satyam Sharma. Same. 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 Nice. Next, I want you take my exercise and then you try to do it, ma. Then you try to do it. Look at that, all of you. Look at that, all of you. Now I am taking like this. What I am looking for? See, beautiful concept I am introducing. I want 30. I want 30, 60, 90. Write down. Write down and then tell me. 30, 60, 90. I want 30, 60, 90. Yes, I am interested. Yes, please. Yeah, I'm just making ready. I'm just making ready. Very good, very good. Very good. See that. Very good. Super. So there you are saying, all of them, you are supposed to write. Different ways are there to do it, ma. One I can write to 2. One I can write to 2. What is that 2 means? What is that meaning is? Begin. Begin is called what? Begin is called what? You can say all the rows, you can say, or instead of that you can say total all the rows. Okay, good. Next is called what? Colon. Colon you can say. Come on, ma. 2 colon 3. 2 colon. That's it. 2 colon. I'm saying that 2 colon. That's it. You can write. Or you can say like this also. You can write it. This is a point you can write. This one I can write. Look at that. Now I will go to this place. Now I will paste it. Now I will paste it. See what is an answer is coming. Now what is an answer is coming. You just watch it. So I got 30, 60, 90. 30, 60, 90. Are you getting me? Are you okay? Yes. Different logics you can apply. Not at all a difficult here. No. Not at all a difficult. Next, I'll go for one more point here. One more point I want to introduce. Look at that now. I will take like this. See, now I want this answer. What I want to answer? 40. Of course, 40. I want this one. This part I want. 40, 50, this one, 70, 80, 90. Write down. Write down that part. I want that part. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I want that part. Yes, ma. Right, good. Some of them are giving very beautiful answers. 40, 50, 60. Right. Those who are saying perfect answers, you people are saying. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So let us look at that. I will also write the answer. I will also write the answer here, ma. You also follow me. I will write the answer here. A of 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3, comma 0 colon 3, 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3, 0 colon 3. You can also write this as, see, one more way I will make it possible to write it. A of 1 colon 3, 1 colon 3, comma, what? Colon just. Are you understanding? Just colon. Just colon means what? All. 1 colon 3 means 1 to 2. 1 to 3 minus 1. That is 1 to 2. And all columns. Yes. I hope you are following. I hope you are following. This you take it. Try to test it, ma. Try to test it. And here you see. You got the answer. You got the answer. One more also I will test it. One more also you will test it. These are all depends on your intelligence only. These are all depends on your intelligence only. Okay. Shall I give you one more example? Shall I give you one more example? Yes. Yes, ma. Ganesh, you can happily do it, ma. Ganesh, you can happily do it. Perfect. You are doing perfect. Amjad, very good, ma. Amjad, very good. You can do like this also. See, some of them are writing 1 colon like this. See, perfect. Super. I'm saying, na, you are super. See, how many ways? Really wonderful student. Next, I will go for one more thing. One more thing I am going to introduce. See, ma, I will take. Let us take this color pouring bucket is there. Next, I am going for this part I want. This part I want. 10, 20, 10, 20, 40, 50 I want. Write down. 10, 20, 10, 20, 40, 50. Be careful. Be careful. Yes, ma, Praveen Kumar. I will come to it. I will come to ma. I will come to that. I will come to Praveen Kumar. I will come. Sheikh. Yeah, the energy drink magic is going on. Yeah, this is called, I told yesterday only I told. Because yesterday I wanted to go for this, but a kick was not came into the picture. So the moment when came, the people came for stopping us. Excellent. Excellent, ma. All of them. Single answer. Super. Really, I'm feeling so much of proud of you. So here I'm writing here. Okay, 1 minute. Color I will change it. I will change it. Yeah. A of 0 to 0 to 0 colon 2, comma 0 colon 2. Instead of that, you can also happily write or we can write or A of colon 2, comma colon 2. Yes. Easy or difficult? Colon to colon 2. Colon to colon 2. Anyone you can take it. See, test it at this level. So I got the, see that colon to colon 2. Colon to colon 2. I got the answer. Very easy. But if you don't see this for 1 week, if you don't see 1 week, it will be gone. Krishna, I will come to that, ma. I'll come to that. Krishna, I will come to that, ma. Okay? Right. Next, I want to go for Seema. Okay, some of the people are asking this doubt. I will clarify that. Let me give you 1 minute, 1 minute. Ayo, it's gone. I will just get it that part. Okay, let it leave it. Now I'm going to introduce. I want this part. See, slicing can do up to certain only. Yeah, that only, man. I'm going for that only. Look at that. Look at that now. I want this 30, 10, 50, 90. It is not possible with slicing. All of you, Bharani Kumar, Krishna. See, this is called not consecutive. These are not consecutive. For that, we are going for advanced slicing. Advanced indexing concept is there. After that, I am going to tell you. Advanced indexing, I want to go for it. Advanced, what is that name? Advanced indexing. Advanced indexing. There I will tell you. Advanced indexing. I will tell you. Next, one more I want like this. See, which is not, this thing is not possible with this part. I want this part. You cannot get it. You cannot get it. Advanced indexing is there. Suppose I want like this. What I want? This one, this one, this one, this one. These are all called irregular. Consecutiveness is required. Consecutiveness is required. We have to go for advanced indexing. Advanced indexing. Okay, na? I want this 20, I want 70, I want this 90, I cannot go. I cannot get it. So we want to go for, yes ma, horizontal values, consecutiveness is required. Consecutiveness is required. Okay, we are going for that. Now shall we move forward? After this, doing some more examples, I will go for advanced indexing also, I will tell you. Okay, Krishna? Bharani Kumar, all my other students who asked the doubt. Okay? Okay. Now I am asking you one more question. I want to go for one more question. I want 20, 30, and okay, 1 minute. I want this part 50, 60. I want 50, 60. I want. Write down. This is consecutiveness is maintaining. Consecutiveness. Write down that. Quickly. I want to know quickly. Yes. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. A of. Yes, very good. A of 0 colon 2, 0 colon 2, comma 1 colon end. 1 colon end. That's it. 1 colon 0 colon 0 colon 2, 1 colon. Yes, you can do like this also. No issue at all. What is that, mom? A of 0 colon 2, 0 colon 2, 0 colon 2, comma 1 colon 3 also you can write it. Happily you can write 1 colon 3 also you can write it. You can also write the same thing as what? You can also write the same thing as what, what is that, mom? A of, of 2 I can write it. 2 I can write it. Next one I can write it. 1 colon like this also I can write. This is also one more way. Are you getting, ma? Are you getting all these styles? Yes, sir. Now let us go to this part here. Let us go to this part. Test it here. Test it here. See that answer is coming 20, 30, 50, 60. 20, 30, 50, 60. You take this part, same answer is coming. You take this part also, same answer is coming. So this part you see, what happens? So 1 minute. So answer is coming because I gave some small spaces there before that. So I got the same answer. Are you understanding, ma? Fine. So you need not to write even that part also. It is going to give you that also. So many ways. Right. Now I want to write it. That only, ma. Sai Manoj. That only I told you, na, ma. Just now I told you, na. Slicing says what? Consecutive operations, sir. Manoj. Sai Manoj. Listen, ma. Listen, I will tell you. So I'm taking this part. This part you see. Sai Manoj is asking. Just try to unselect it. Sai Manoj is asking these values. 40, 70, 80. This is not possible. This is not possible. Consecutiveness is not possible. Sai Manoj. You can get it by using what? Advanced indexing, I will tell you. Just to, within few minutes, I am going to introduce. Okay, na? How to get it, I am going to show you. Okay, right. Let me go for small exercise. Let me give you that one more example I want to give you. So we got it. Now next I want to give you, okay, of course you can do it, but for my satisfaction where you can get little more perfect. Now I want to get 20, 50, 80 I want. Please write that 20, 50, 80. 20, 50, 80. 20, 50, 80. 20, 50, 80. Yeah. So I want to get it. A of. A of. What is that? All rows I want. All rows means what? All rows means that part. All rows full. Comma. I want 1:2. 1:2 means only one column. Only one column. This part. You can also say, guys, happily. You can say happily this part also. A of. A of. What is that? Colon 3. Colon 3. Comma. Comma. What you can do? 1:2 compulsory. 1:2 compulsory. See how easy it is. How easy it is. So it is going to be. It is going to be saying this type of part. Yeah. Come on to the point. Here I got the 20, 50, 80. 80. Now you can say 1:3 also you can say. This one 3 also you can say. You will get 20, 50, 80 also you can get. Fine. Happy. Come on. Next I want this values. Which values I want? Look at that. Now I want this type of values. Which values I want? 10 and 70 I want. Only 10 and 70. 10 and 70. 10 and 70 I want. 10 and 70 I want. Consecutiveness is there. Where is that? Consecutiveness is there. Within the here, step will come. Step is going to come in front of you. Step is going to come in front of you. Come on. I will take. I am also writing along with you. I am also writing along with you. Yes, A of 0th row. 0th row to 0th row to third row. Okay. What you want? Step 2. Two elements. 0th element and the second element. Comma. Which column? 0th column only. So 1. That's it. That's it. It will give you that elements. It will give you that elements. Fine. 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 Finished. Now take this part. Take this part. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. Last written and got the elements. Don't. What happens? What is missing? Okay. Step is missing. Step is missing. 2 I want. Step is missing, dear students. Step is missing. Step is missing 70. What is coming here? 20 and 80 is coming. Okay. So 1 minute. I wrote which column this is? 0, comma 1 I need to write it here. Fine. So 10 and 70. Yes, ma. 0. I written wrong. This part is written wrong. 0 and 1 I need to write it. 0 and 1 I need to write it. So I got this value. Are you okay? Even you can write like this also. I can write. Even I can write like this. 10 and 70 also I got it. Dear students, are you feeling difficult or easy, ma? Are you feeling difficult or easy? Easy, sir. Now you write. I am giving to you. Now I am giving to you last and final where you can able to do it. I think so or not. I don't know. I hope that you will do. I hope that you will do. Yeah. Let us move forward. Let us move forward. Fine. Last and final. Now I am going to say this part. This part I want. Which part I am looking for? This part. Let me take 20, 30, 80, 90. This part I want. This part I want. Shubham, take care, ma. Take care. Shubham, take care once. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. Very good solutions are coming. Very nice solutions are coming. So I will take this area like this. A of A of what I want? All rows, beginning end. Step two. Step two. Comma. Which column? First column onwards. Over. I am not specifying even last three or two. Nothing I am specifying. Yes, you can happily write. You can happily write this also, or you can also write a of 0:0:3:2. Two values. Two values. Next comma. You can say 1:3 also. You can say 1:3 also. You can say whichever you want. You can write happily. This part I will take it. This part I will take it. Now see a beautiful logic here. So the operation is 20, 30, 80, 90. 20, 30, 80, 90. You can say happily what ma? 0:3, 0:3 and 1:3, 1:3. Happily you will get the answer like this. Right? Fine. Seema, Murali Krishna, try to follow me, ma. Try to follow me. Understand, understand. See that I gave you already clue I gave you. I gave the hint for you. I gave the hint for you. So I hope you are getting it. Sandeep. Yes. So next I want to go for another type of discussion. Another type of discussion. Yes. Sandeep, also good ma. Also good. Also good. Consecutiveness is there, na? Zeroth consecutive. Second consecutive is there. Also possible. Fine. Shall I move forward? Last and final I am giving. Last and final. Already I know you are fully acquainted with your subject. Fully acquainted. I got the smell from your answers. Right? Last and final. I just want to take it. What I want to do? 20, 20. I just want to take 20. I want to take 50, 80. This part I want. This part I want. Tell me. Right, mom? Finish done. Very good. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. Super. You understood that part. Yeah. So, A of 1 minute more. So I will take A of. Here I will write A of. A of colon. Just a colon. All. Come on. One colon. That's it. One colon. Finished. Kusharga. Correct, ma. Correct. Mrutyunjay. Correct. All. All I want. This I will take. This I will take. Continue this part. Here I got the output like this. Output like this. Super. Last and final. Sandeep said good solution. Let us go to that also. Let us go to that also. 1 minute. Ma? Let us go to that part also. Okay. 1 minute. This one. I want this one. I want this one. This one. This one. This one. Start. Chandrabhushan. This only, ma. Start. Right. Good. Right. Here, you take this. Yes. A of colon 2. All the rows, 2 elements. Yes, comma, dot 2. Perfect. Columns also. Excellent. This you take care. This you take care. See that I got the answer. 10, 30, 70, 90. 10, 30, 70, 90. Yeah, Vivo also good. Vivo also good, ma. Also good. You see, 0 colon 3, 0 colon 3, and 0 colon 3. 0 colon 3, Anna? 0 colon 3. Yes. So also you will get it. Perfect. Perfect. Now, like this I want. Like this type of elements I want. 10 and 90 not possible, ma. Praveen Kumar. 10 and 90 not possible. 10 and 90 not possible. 10 and 90 not possible. Can you try for that? Can you try for that? You try once. All the students try for 10 and 90. Anybody else want to try? You can try once. Try for once. 10 and 90. Anybody can try? Try. No problem. Try. Yeah. Anybody else? It won't happen, ma. So some of the students, not possible. That is possible by using what, by using advanced indexing possible. You won't get it. You won't get it. You test it. You will not get it. You will not get it, ma. You will not get it. Okay. Yeah. Yes. It's not possible. So how it is done now? How it is possible then with advanced indexing? Shall I go to the advanced indexing? Is this entire example is perfect? Is this entire example is perfect? Dear students, are you perfect in this? Okay, very good. So they are saying yes, like that. Is the kick is coming? This is what the kick like yesterday. And you are having more capacity, boss. You are having more capacity. Oh, yes. And you are already having, you are habituated, na? That's why more habituated. That's why you are having more kick. Yeah, really, we enjoyed this subject. So yes, ma'am. Yes. So you are enjoyed this subject. So you are having already habituated now. So you are able to hold that quick, hold that you are able to hand holding that kick. So I pasted that entire thing, and somewhere else there is one error is there. I will just modify that. I will remove that indentation. Everything is output is there. Okay, right. Okay, ma'am. Fine, fine. Okay, nice. Okay. Devaram, very good, ma. Nice, nice to see that. Okay. So this is called our slicing on 2D. Slicing on 2D. Now with this, I have 100% confidence on you. With 3D also you will enjoy like this. With 3D also you will enjoy like that. Now I am going for advanced indexing. That is nothing but slicing only. Advanced indexing comes slicing. I will keep the heading advanced. Let us go for the advanced numpy advanced indexing. You also write down heading, you write it because you are supposed to answer some questions. NumPy advanced indexing and slicing. Slicing is with advanced indexing only you are getting the slicing operation. Slicing operation. Slicing. SLI. SLI. Slicing. Okay. Right. So very super, Amma. Nice. Coming to the next discussion. Who is that video is on? So in that kick you are on that video or what? In that kick where is your hands are going on the video or what? Okay. Now I am going for advanced indexing. So that advanced indexing is saying that very, very simple, ma. And if you listen that now, you will understand like anything. So tell me, what is meant by indexing? Normally you tell me, what is meant by indexing? With indexing, what are you selecting? By using indexing, we can access one element at a time. By using indexing, we can select one element at a time. Particular value you are getting it. What is the syntax of it? ND array of position, index value you are passing. Index value you are passing. The same index we are passing to 2D array also. ND array of row and column. We are getting that. And next, by using slice operator, what are we getting? We can access multiple elements, but they must be in the order. They must be in the order. Extracting some range of values, but they must be in some order. Some consecutiveness must be maintained. We have seen that what consecutiveness they are maintaining. Yes, dear students. Now, we applied. Now, if the elements are in random order, For example, this you take it. This you take it. These elements you take it. This is 0, 0. This is a 2, 2. There is no consecutiveness is maintaining here. If we want to access multiple elements which are not in order, multiple elements we are selecting 10 and 90. We are extracting some range of values. Nothing but slice operation only. But it is not possible with normal slicing operation. What we discussed in just now. So when you want to access multiple elements which are not in order, that is called random elements in the matrix. Arbitrary elements. If we want to access, we cannot use the basic indexing, basic slicing operations are not possible. To do this requirement, to get this type of requirement, we must go for which one? Advanced indexing concept, we need to go for it. Sir, what are the ways, sir? There are different ways are there, sir. What is that first way? I want to tell you the first way. Simple, amma. What is that first way? I will just bring this diagram. I will bring this. This diagram also I will post it. Just copy this, and open the next paint diagram. Paint diagram I am opening. In that I will paste it. Yes, it is pasted. So there I am going to, I just want 10 and 90. For that way number 1, directly I am writing way number 1. That is way number 1. There are different ways are there. I will tell you the first way. I am going to tell you the first way. See how easy it is. Way number 1. Yeah. In this, we will prepare which elements you want. We will prepare the list. We will prepare more. The second way is create a list with the required number of indices. What are those elements we are expecting here? We are expecting the elements. What are the elements I want? First, I will go for directly because 1D array is very simple. First, let me go to directly this part only. 2D array only I am going for. So 2D advanced searching I am going for. 2D advanced indexing. Advanced indexing. 1D advanced indexing is very, very easy. That is need not to worry about it. I will show you immediately after this. What is that syntax, sir? You prepare one list object, LST. LST is equal to, you prepare what you want. You specify row index. You say. Now I am saying L of row index. So you say row index. I am saying row index. You say. Next you say what? Column index also use it. Row index use it, column index also use it. Row index, create a list with required indexes and then passing that array as an argument to the corresponding elements. Let me show you that L is equal to row index and then column index I will write. Row index you pass and then column index also you pass it. Now let us go for which elements I want. Which elements I want here? Row index and column indexes. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. I just want to go for this. I am expecting something like this. Just for a minute you wait. That instead of making it very complex, I am just making like this. Directly let me give you this example. This example I will give you because I don't want to go for lengthy explanation. Look at once. This is called what? A. Assume that this name is called what? A. This name is called A. Okay. A of not a problem. Just to follow me. A of, what are you doing? Take the row indexes you take. Row indexes. Which row you want? Tell me, which row you want? 0 row you want. 0 row you want. Close it. Close it. A of 0 row you pass it. 0 row. Comma. You pass what? Column index you pass it. Column. Next you want what? Row. You are passing row. This 0 will give you what? 1 minute mark. 0. That is for 10th. Row indexes you pass it. 10th I want row index. Next what do you want? First row no value you want to find. Second row what do you want to find? 90. What is that index? What is that index? 2. Okay, good. 2. This is the one. Comma. Now you pass the column indexes. Column indexes you pass it. Column indexes please. 0 comma. What is that? 2. 0 comma 2. Right? Close it. Once you pass this statement, is everybody got it or not? Is everybody got it or not? Once this is executed, do you know what is internally taken? What is internally taken? This will be taken as this 0, this 0, and this 0 will be one pair. This 0 and this 0 will be one pair. This 2 and this 2 will be one more pair. Because this is a little confusing for you. That's why I'm writing. This first value, second value will be taken. Now finally, what is the result, ma? What is the result? Can you tell me? Yes. Now this is going to give you, that is nothing but 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, and next is called what? 2 comma 2. 2 comma 2 will come. 2 comma 2 will come. This will give you the elements called what? 10 and what? 90 will come. 10 and 90 will come. Bharani Kumar and Krishna, some students asked me, Shai Manoj. Now next example I am asking. Now you will get the clarity. Now I want like this. Let me take one small thing, ma. Let me take all of you because I will be. This is for everybody, not only for 1 or 2 students. Now see, start. These elements I want. Start. All of you. Start, ma. A of. First you take row elements. You take it. What do you want? This is more, nothing is there. Actually, it's very easy for you. Tell me, first rows you take it. 0 comma 1 comma 2. 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma. Next is called what? 0 comma 1 comma 2. Same again. Yes. This will give you what elements now? Tell me. What is this? It is going to be taken as what? 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0. Next is called what? 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. And next is called what? 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. This will be taken something like that. This is going to be this 0, this 0, this 0. Because after a few days you will forget. That is the problem. That's why I'm writing in detail like this. Next, this 2, this 2 will be this 2, this 2. Fine. So this is going to be giving you what? This is going to be giving you what? Element has 10, x at 50, and next is called what? 60. Let us test it once. Let us test it once. Go to the place. Go to the place a of a of what I told you, ma? 0, comma 1, 0, comma 0, comma 0. What is that first one? What is the first one? 0, comma 2, 0, comma 2, 0, comma 2, and next is called what? 0, comma 2. So this is going to give you what? Close it, huh? Yeah. Fine, comma, fine. So this will give you what? 10 and 90, 10 and 90, 10 and 90. Now you say once again 0, comma 1, comma 2, 0, comma 1, comma 2, 0, comma 1, comma 2, 0, comma 1, comma 2. This will give you 10, 50, 90, 10, 50, 90. Sai Manoj, are you getting, ma? Now even with this, you can get any of the things also. Even you can get with any of the things also. 1050, 1050, okay. 1050, 90 only. 1050, 90. 80, 60, 90. You want 80, 60, 90. Who is that? Ravi Kishore. Okay. 80, 60, 90. Okay, 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. We will take. Yes. We will go for. We will go for. 1 minute. Okay. So next is called what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What is that, ma, next? Somebody is asking 30, 50, 70. 30, 50, 70. 30, 50, 70. Start. Start. Prepare. Prepare that. A of A of what is that? A of, now first row indexes you need to pass. Row indexes you need to pass. Row indexes you need to pass. Rows you need to take. 2, comma, 2, comma, what is that? If you want exactly like that, you need to plan it accordingly. 0, comma, 1 minute, 0, comma, 1, comma, 2. Okay, we will take. Next, I will take, I want 30 first. If you want 30 first to be seen, if you want 30 to be seen first, say what? 2, comma, say what? 2, comma, next 1, comma, next is called what? 2 you say. Then this is going to be taken as what? This is going to be taken as what? All of you. How it is going to be represented here internally? It is represented as a 0, comma 2, 0, comma 2. Next is called what? 2. Okay, ma. Okay, 0. Okay, by mistake I written. It is right. You are right. It is called what? It is 0. Yes, ma. Correct. You are correct. 0. 0. Tell me. Now 0, comma 2, next 1, comma 1, 1, comma 1, next is called what? 2, comma 0, 2, comma 0. This is the way you need to take it. This is the way you need to take it. Is it okay? So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, A of 0, comma 1, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2, 1, comma 2, and next is called what? 2, comma 1, comma 0, 2, comma 1, comma 0, 2, comma 1, comma 0. So you'll get 30, 50, 70. Are you okay? Are you confident enough now? All of you. Yes. This is first. This is called one way. This is called one way. Another way. Another way. If you want, you can get another way also. One more way is also there. One more way is, this is one of the most suitable way for you. This is one of the most suitable way for you. Okay. So coming to the point of it, fine. 80, 60, 90. Ravi Kishore is asking one more question, Amma. One more question is asking 80, 60, 90. Okay. 80, 60, 90. Okay. Come on, all of you. 1 minute. 80, 60, 90. 80, 80, 60, 90. Yes. Or 60, 80. 60, 80, 90. Yes, ma. Murli Krishna. Correct. Yes. So, yes, you take 80, 90, 60, 60, 80, 90. It all depends on you. It is up to your chance of giving. You take your own way. You take your own time. You take your own way and then try to do it. So let me write it one of the answer, which you will get it here. You will get it here. 60, 80, 90. 60, 80, 90. Yeah, ma. You can take. You can take. Happily, you can take. This is the way of arbitrary elements you can select. Arbitrary element you can select. This is called 2D. This is called 2D. One more element if you want. One more elements if you want. This is one of the most suitable approach. This is the most suitable approach. So I will give you some small description there. I will give you some small description and you try to do it. I'll go for the notes purpose. I will write it. What is the notes purpose? Syntax. What is that? What is that accessibility? If we want to access, if we want to, some small description I'm writing. If we want to access multiple elements, if we want to access multiple elements which are not in order, which are not in order, which are not sequence, that is nothing but what? Random elements, or we can also call it as the arbitrary elements, or arbitrary elements, then we must use advanced indexing, advanced indexing we need to use it. Yes. So for that, what we do, there is a syntax. Syntax I want to go for. What is the syntax? Just you watch it, ma. Just you watch it. Syntax will be something like this. What is the syntax? Syntax will be ND array object, ND array object. What is that? You need to specify row indexes. Actually, we call it as row indices. Indices means it's a plural. It's a plural. Comma and column indices. Column indices. We need to take this part. Row indices and then column indices you need to take. Row indices and column indices you need to take. Okay. And how that column indices, all the row indices mapped with the column indices and making a pair of elements. Okay, I hope that you can understand and you try to do this type of thing what I discussed already in our class. Already I discussed in this class to take this NP array and then try to take these things and we can apply these many number of examples are there. And I will write those things what we already, this is a very dead easy, not at all a difficult. Last point I will write it. Last examples are there, na? These examples I will write it. These examples. These are the random elements what we retrieved. These are the random elements what we retrieved. Special examples, these are coming here. Even if we go for, keep all those elements and then we will go for like this. I hope this is clear for you, I think so. Is it clear, ma'am? Regarding 1D array, this is called what? 2D array. This is called a 2D array. Regarding 1D array, you tell me. It is very easy for you, dead easy. Just for a minute, ma. Just for a minute. I want to take it. I want to take it. A is equal to np dot array. np dot array. You will take up. You will take up. I'm having 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500, comma 600. These are my elements. These are my elements. I just want to print A. I want to print A. I want to print 100 as well as 600. Tell me, how do you print 100 and 600? 100 and 600 I want. This is for what? What we have written is called what? It is for 2D. 2D. This is called advancing on 2D. On 2D. This is on 2D array. 2D array this is. Next, the same thing on 1D. Same thing on 1D. I will take 1D. 1D. Yeah, tell me on 1D. How do you go for it? 1D array. What we do? Yes, please. Yes, ma. That will be, okay, 1 minute. I will get that elements as it is. Then after pasting it, okay, now I will go for example part. And before that, syntax also I will give you. Syntax also I will give you. What is the syntax here is? Syntax here is something like this. Syntax. This is also dead easy, because with the syntax which I started explaining, now you will get confused. That's why first I am talking about the example. Just watch it, ma. Watch for a minute. Here, what I do is something like this. Here, which element I want? 10, 20, 30, 200. I need not to prepare the diagram also, I think so, ma. You already understand. What is the index of 100? What is the index of 100? 0. What is the index of 600? What is the index of 600? 5. 5. Okay, now that you prepare one list, ma. First way number 1 I am taking. First way I am taking. First way. You take one LST is equal to, see, LST is equal to, see how I am writing, of 0, 5. You say 0, 5. Select the indexes of those elements you want to select and prepare the list. And you pass that list, you prepare that list. You have prepared the list, LST. Now you say immediately, ND array object, A of LST you say. A of LST you say. See that A of LST. Aruna, see ma. Aruna, you see that. LST is equal to 0, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not, don't think that this is not, what do you call, index or slicing. Milan, it is not a colon here, comma, Milan, you must be careful enough. It is not colon, this is LST. Okay, now just to take this part and then observe it. See that, take LST, okay. Next, take this A, take this A and C, take this A and C. You got the answer. Are you getting me or not? Are you getting me or not? Yes, ma. One more way. Directly you pass what? Second way I am talking about it. Second way you see, ma. Second way. In that array, you say what? 0, 5 you write it. 5 you write. See how I am writing. Don't write curly braces or square braces here. All square brackets only. ND array object of, what is this? List object and pass. Directly, you press enter key. You got this 100 and this thing. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Yes, second way. This is the first way and second way. First way and second way are one and the same only. This is nothing but list only. Okay. One more I want to show you. One more I will show you, ma. Please look at that. Please look at that. Now I am preparing. How many elements I have? How many elements I have? Please tell me. How many elements I have? 5. 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You prepare one element. You prepare one element. You prepare one element. And after that, you see what I am going to apply. We will test it. We will experiment it. We are experimenting on it. We are just experimenting on it. There I am saying true, true, and then false, comma false, false. How many? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, comma true. Then do like this. What is happening? See that. You will easily understand. Will you understand or not? This is what is this ma? This is called a Boolean list. What is Boolean list says? It is nothing but filtering out the elements. How to filter the NumPy elements? True. What is already A contains these elements. You are passing some booleans. What is this? Boolean list. This is called A. True means first element. Select. Already filter function we explained. Filter function. Did you remember filter function, Amma? Filter function, guys. Yes, the same thing. True means filter. False. True first element. True. Yes, selected. False second element. No. Third element. No. Last but one element. False. Last element is called what? True. Yes, selected. This is called one more way. Right? You say somewhere else true you say. Somewhere else you say true. Got the elements. Are you getting or not? This is called a Boolean list. So these many number of ways are there. These many number of ways and means are there. So create that list and then pass the list and then these many number of ways and mechanisms. This is not at all a big deal. It is a very, very easy concept. So here like this. So what is the syntax here? Can you tell me what is the syntax here? ND array. Now I am writing here array. ND array object of what? X. What is that X? Or I will write K. What is that K? Now here K represents what? Either list object, or what? Boolean list. Are you okay? Boolean list. Here I said LST, that A of LST passed. And directly I passed what? Here that is done. It is done. List I passed it. Next I passed a Boolean list also. I passed. And a Boolean list means if 100 elements are there, 100 elements true, false, who will write? That's why I'm just taking that. Whichever element you want, prepare the list and then get that. This is called way 1. Guys. This is called way 1. Next is called way 2. This is called way 2. This is called way 2. Second way this is called. I hope that this is called way 2. This is a done. Also we got this value and then one example, another example also I got. Are you okay, students? Dear students, are you okay? Yeah, understood all these things. Fine. So this is the indexing and slicing operations on it. So any type of element we can retrieve happily. And the next Monday class when I come back, I will talk about the arithmetic operations on the matrices. It is a dead easy concept. And later I will try to tell you on the Monday compulsory three-dimensional array I will introduce for you. 3-dimensional array compulsory. I will tell you on Monday. Okay, na? Right. 3-dimensional array, I will go for it. Which is syntax, ma? Sanjay Kumar. Which is syntax? This one, huh? Fine. So we'll stop it and take 20 minutes rest. And at 6 o'clock, we will meet again in the class. Fine. Thank you. Good day. Bruce Lee, I have class tomorrow morning. I have class with some other students. Okay. Right, ma'am. Thank you. Good day.